Okay, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I have an unboxing video, but it's a little bit opposite because I needed the box for something. So I took everything out and it's laying on my desk, but I can't wait to show you the album retreat from Stampin' Up, which is coming up here in just a couple of weeks. But I am also doing this with some friends getting together in August. So, because July is a big vacation time around here. So I'm going to work backwards a little bit, but I'm going to show you everything that you get in the box. So first of all, you get page protectors, and these page protectors are meant for either the postbound album or the D-ring album. You get to decide what kind of album you want. So that is why the album is not included, but the page protectors that fit both are. Now, let me show you. This is really exciting. You get 4 stamp sets that are exclusive. They give you the papers to go in those. So I'm just going to take those off so you can see the different elements. So this has got a lot of floral outdoor. Look at that cute little bird. And here you've got some icons with some words. Life is sweet, celebrate, holiday, winter, spring, autumn, summer. And then just some fun little detail stamps, which are always great for adding a little extra spicy texture to your layout. And then 2 more stamp sets. Let's move this out of the way. You get an alphabet. Let's turn this around. An alphabet and some numbers, as well as some banners here to put words in or to dates in, whatever you want to use those for. Again, these will all be used as they teach you different techniques. Now here comes another fun part. These are all die cuts, and they match some of the stamping symbols that we saw. So for example, we've got the little framed oval here, and we've got these here, so we'll be stamping on them. Here's the little bird, the firework stamp right here. I'm calling it a firework stamp. So there's no fussy cutting. These all just pop out, and then you are able to use the die cuts as they instruct. You've got the flowers, the hearts, these little rainbow things here throughout. So no fussy cutting. What do you think about that? Next, they have made some detailed die cuts, and these are exclusive to the album retreat. So we will be using all of these die cuts. Some of this has patterns on them. It shows Project 10. So Project 8, which is great because if you wanted to get a little bit ahead, you could punch these out, and I'll show you the project collections that are coming up. And then you've got some leaves, some more numbers, and different borders. You've got these little tiny dots. I'm excited to see what those are for. And then you have these black chipboard. It's kind of like paperboard. It's not as thick as chipboard, but they are cut. It reminds me very much of the close to my heart paperboard that we had. Now, this is a month-by-month album, but don't get stuck on that. You can do a month-by-month album. You could do a baby's first year album. You can leave the months off and just use these as you would like, depending on your scrapbooking needs. I love that there's so much versatility in this workshop. Next, they have given us a selection of the, what do we call this? Irresistibles. So here they are, and I don't know how much the video catches this, but we've got kind of a starburst, which looks like it's half of this paper. So we'll be using some Irresistibles, and this is a paper with some leaves on it, and another one with some leaves on it. Now, I don't know exactly which project these will go with, but I can assure you they're going to teach us some fun techniques in using that. Now, here we go. These are the project packs, and here's what I want you to know. These are all pre-cut. There is no cutting, so you will have all the pieces that you need in each project pack. And then here we go. Here's project number 3. They're all easily labeled. And again, as you are pulling out the papers, they're printed for you here and pre-cut. And then look, even these little 1/4 inch strips, I guess they are printed for you. And you can see all the colors that are coming in. Oh, I love this. This is project number 2. And the pinks and the corals and this deep red. Oh, look at this with all the blue. I think this is Misty Moonlight and Sea Foam. I'm learning my colors. Oh, I love this one too. Really pretty. And you can see that there's kind of a theme of papers coming through. Now here we have just the black and white. I'm wondering, curious, if this is printed. Yes, it is just printed specifically for this workshop versus using, these are designs that are in our paper packs, but they have printed them and cut them out specifically for this workshop. Wow, this one is heavy. There's lots of pieces for project number 9. You get the full-size cardstock, the pre-cut paper. So there's 12 double page layouts, so it's 24 pages that you will complete, and each one will truly be a piece of artwork on its own. You will learn techniques and you will learn things to do with paper that you never knew you could do with paper. Now we've got a few final pieces here that I wanted to show you. We're going to be using these neutral matte dots, which are great because they're going to go with everything. You can also use markers to color these light colors, your alcohol markers, if you wanted to color. I wonder if that's a technique they will show us. Looks like we're going to learn how to use some page protectors, and I believe there's some interactive elements on some of these pages. These are your photo placeholders, so if you don't have your photos printed, you can put these on your pages so you know exactly where they go, and they have all the sizes that you need here. And then we also have some white twine. And again, that has got a lot of versatility throughout. And who knows, we may be even coloring this twine for a project or two. Now, if you're interested in this album retreat, it is still available online. And when you sign up for it, you will get your rewards for, so make sure you're signed up for the reward program. You get 10% back towards your next purchase. So that's $25. And if you are local to me, contact me about the in-person events that we're doing with this album retreat. There's one scheduled for August and there's one scheduled for October. And I would love to have you join us and put together this album. Thanks for stopping by and doing my unboxing without the box. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when the next video is out.